How to set up mail from Outlook. First go to File and press Add Account. Now type your email right here and press Advanced Options. Now take the checkbox and connect. Right now we have two options, POP and IMAP. I will use POP and I recommend POP for you too. The difference between POP and IMAP is that POP stores email on your device while IMAP stores them on our servers. If you use IMAP, your email storage can quickly fill up and you might need to upgrade your package. Basically, POP is more budget friendly. Now we need to type our password right here and connect. Yeah, our account is added right now. Press down. For receiving your emails, press Send Receive All Emails from right here, and your mails will come automatically. Yeah. Thank you for choosing us. Best wishes from Attack Domain.